Before buying a bottle jack, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Powerbuilt Uni Jack. The Powerbuilt 2-ton Uni Jack caught my eye right away. Priced at $61.74, it combines a bottle jack and a jack stand into one compact unit. If you want something that lifts and holds your SUV without needing extra equipment, this is worth a serious look. This means it's strong enough for most SUVs and CUVs, making it versatile for other vehicles too. Plus, with a wide flat base, it reduces that sinking feeling when you're on softer ground. Thousands of these are in use around the globe, so you're getting something proven. Now, some people complained about the weight of this jack being slightly inconvenient for portability. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability and safety over lightweight convenience, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable jack for your home garage or off-road adventures. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for frequent transport. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the Uni Jack. Now, if the slightly heavier weight of the Uni Jack bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Powerbuilt 3-ton All-in-One Jack. Next up is the Powerbuilt 3-ton All-in-One Hydraulic Bottle Jack, priced at $85.44. I was really impressed by how this jack combines convenience and power into one compact unit. If you want something that lifts and holds your truck or SUV securely, this is worth a serious look. With a lifting capacity of 6,000 pounds and a height range from 11 to 21 inches, it's tailor-made for larger vehicles like RVs and trailers. The built-in ratcheting safety bar ensures it stays locked in place while you work, which is crucial for safety. Plus, its wide base minimizes sinking on softer surfaces, making it perfect for off-road use. Now, some users mention that the jack can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, given its lifting capacity and safety features, the size is a trade-off for peace of mind when you're working under heavier vehicles. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with trucks or RVs and need something reliable. Skip this one if you have limited storage space in your garage. For what you get, it offers great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more heavy-duty needs. Product number 3, DNA Motoring Bottle Jack. Now let's talk about the DNA Motoring 6-ton Bottle Jack. At just $38.95, this one stood out for its serious lifting power. If you need a jack for heavy vehicles without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 13,228 pounds and a height range of 8.6 to 17 inches, it's designed to handle tough jobs easily. The high-grade steel construction means it's built to last, and the anti-slip design ensures stability while you're working. This jack is perfect for personal garages or professional shops alike, and it's received great ratings from actual users, 6 stars from 373 reviews. However, a few users mention that the handle can feel a bit short during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're working on heavier vehicles, that short handle might not be a deal breaker as the performance speaks for itself. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast needing a reliable and budget-friendly option. Skip this if you need a jack that's compact and easy to store. For the price and lifting capacity, this jack is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more convenience, the next jack has a great combination of features. Product number 4, Torin Big Red Hydraulic Jack. Next on the list is the Torin T90413 Big Red Hydraulic Bottle Jack, priced at just $30.99. I was genuinely surprised by how affordable this jack is for what it offers. If you need something reliable for occasional use, this is worth a serious look. The wide base enhances stability and it meets ASME safety standards, so you know it's safe to use. Plus, it comes with a carrying case which makes it easy to store and transport. However, some users felt that it could be a bit taller for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, for the average SUV or car, it's perfectly adequate and offers an excellent balance between price and performance. This is perfect for you if you need a jack for light to medium use and want something portable. Skip this if you regularly work on larger vehicles needing more height. Given its price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you want something that can handle heavier loads more comfortably, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Powerbuilt Heavy Duty Jack. Finally, we have the Powerbuilt 3-ton bottle jack and jack stands in one, priced at $91.97. This jack really impressed me with its ingenuity. If you want a heavy-duty product that offers extreme reliability, this is worth a serious look. With a lifting capacity of 6,000 pounds and a range from 11 to 21 inches, it's tailored for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. The built-in ratcheting safety bar is a great feature that keeps it securely locked in place, while the wide base ensures stability even in tricky conditions. Users have rated it highly with 4.6 stars from over 3,100 reviews, showing it's trusted in the market. However, I did notice some complaints about the price being on the higher side. Here's the thing though, the features and safety standards make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable jack for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this if you're just looking for something very basic. For the quality, it's a solid value for your money. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Powerbuilt Uni Jack for its compactness, the 3-ton all-in-one for its versatility, the DNA motoring for affordability, the Touran Big Red for reliability, and the Powerbuilt Heavy Duty for serious lifting needs. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your situation.